Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salami sticks. We'll go through the entire process, from selecting your ingredients to the final drying stage. Making salami at home is a rewarding culinary adventure, allowing you to control every aspect of flavor and quality. Get ready to learn the secrets to crafting savory, shelf-stable meat snacks that will impress everyone. To begin your salami stick journey, you'll need a few key items. Start with about 5 pounds of quality ground pork, ideally 80% lean and 20% fat for the best texture. Essential curing salts, such as Prague powder No. 1, are crucial for safety. You'll also need a meat grinder, a sausage stuffer, and 21 to 23 millimeter casings to form your sticks. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix and stuff. Combine your meat, spices, and curing salts thoroughly until everything is evenly distributed. Then, carefully stuff the mixture into your casings, ensuring no air pockets remain. Next, ferment your sticks at 75 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 48 hours, maintaining 90% humidity to kickstart the flavor development. The final, and perhaps most patient, step is drying. Hang your salami sticks in a controlled environment at 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 75% humidity. This process typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, until the sticks have lost about 35% of their initial weight. Once dried, store your delicious homemade salami sticks in the refrigerator for several months or freeze them for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.